Hi, boys and girls. This week we are welcoming winter, and we're also taking a look at the letter B. B starts brown bear. And as we welcome winter, we're also going to be learning about how bears hibernate. On your Play-Doh mat, you're going to build a den for your bear to take his long winter's nap. And maybe you can even make a pretend den at your house using pillows and blankets and take a nice long nap. Some other fun activities this week. I gave you a bag of marshmallows, and you can have some hot chocolate as you do counting and adding with marshmallows. You also have a fun movement dice to talk about the different things that you'll be doing through the winter. You're going to paint a winter tree using a pom-pom. And you're going to use a dice to help you draw all of the parts of a snowman. I hope you have a great time with those activities, and I also hope you can find some winter stories in your house or at your library. I'm going to read you a book that we enjoy at my house called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Take a look. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Hi, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They mutter and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see? We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. I hope you get to see snow this winter and have lots of fun. Have a great week.